Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and don't mind my shower cap. It's because I'm going to try the turmeric mask, and I just did the mixture. So if you want to know how to do it, this is next clip. Find out how you do it. So I take 1 tablespoon of the Oikos Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon of that, and then I take 1 drop of the honey. But the honey I went like a little bit crazy, but yeah, it's like I think this honey is like really white. Like it's not like the normal honey. It's like a Canadian firm. Anyways, something like that. And then I take my turmeric. It cost me $1 just the pack, and I take about till I get the color of that. I didn't measure the turmeric. I was just going with my eyes, with my instinct, and yeah, it doesn't smell good. I'm going to apply this on my face. That's why I have my shower cap, because I do not want this thing to touch my hair or touch my clothes. Like you need to get like a clothes that you don't care about, like old clothes that you don't care about. Like I got this t-shirt that is ripped, but you see, this is a swag, you know. And yeah, so I don't care about this. And going to, you know what, so while this is setting, I will let it set for 30 minutes. And while this is setting, I will just go ahead and do some things I want to do, like cooking. I don't like cooking a lot, but you know, I had to cook because of my meal prep. So yeah, I just wanted to say the benefits of turmeric mask. So I looked many videos on YouTube, and and they said, and I searched the benefit of that. It is antibacterial, it lightens the blemishes, it fights acne, and it reduces the wrinkles and more. So you have like glowy skin after that, and it lightens your skin, the dark spot around your center area that is dark. It helps with that. And the turmeric is really beneficial for many things, like if you want a DIY for your underarms, for some things like that. It's great because it's a Indian beauty secret, I don't know, but it's great for your skin, to have glowy skin and no pimple, I guess. But it smells really bad. The turmeric itself smells bad, but the yogurt and the honey is nice, you know. I will do this mask every day. I'm not keeping this like in the I don't keep this refrigerate this thing. I will just keep doing over and over till we get to Friday, and I will tell you about my experience, I guess. So yeah, I hope that my little pimple around my nose will disappear. We don't know, but you know. So that is that. So 45 seconds left. My face feels like I cannot move my face, like it's really drying like to my face. And I'm going to wash this off after those 20 seconds. So this day 1 will be the longest, and then the day 5 will be the longest. Other than that, the other day I will just talk voiceover every day. I come into the camera to show you know how the mask is going. Yeah, this was hard washing it off because mainly because I waited like 20 minutes for the mask to dry. But the other day I would just wait 5 minutes till Friday, so it will be alright. It's like the same thing. I don't see, you see here my little pimples are here, but I think if it can't like clear my dark spot, it will be really nice. But other than that, we will see how it goes. So up to the next day.
Bitch, I'm good with the party all night. Where we going, what we doing? Party all night. Where we going, what we doing?
So the day 2 and day 3, I wasn't like really surprised with the result. But one thing I wanted to say is that I waited for about 15 minutes because I wanted the longest I could wait, not 20 minutes, but 15 minutes. And each day I just remade the mixture. I didn't refrigerate the mixture. I just redo the same and then wash it off, and yeah, that's it. And one thing for sure I like notice is that my pimple below my mouth is gone. Like literally, it's almost gone. And there was like small pimple, but it wasn't big deal. Maybe it was because of my little skincare, but that's it. I was not noticing. So just stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will talk about all the journey, my journey, like my little challenge. And there's this scar that is in the middle of my nose. This didn't disappear, but one day it will go. That was an old pimple, but it left that little dark thing in the middle of my nose. But yeah. So I noticed that after you wash the mask, there's still like bit left, and I use like a something like that to completely remove the yellow stuff. First, whenever I wash this mask, my lips are so dry. Like, I cannot wait to put Vaseline on my lips. Like, seriously, those lips are dry. And like, you don't even need lotion, but your lips going to be dry. But I always put lotion after that. And why I did this mask is to remove some dark spots I have around my nose and certainly around my mouth. And yeah, it's to remove that dark spots. And for the little pimples I have here around my nose, I wanted like to be like less, it's already less visible, but I wanted to be like completely gone. But in 5 days I think that wasn't happening. So like, I'm telling you the truth, guys. This is 100% the truth. Okay, I tried this mask for 5 days, but the thing I would say is that maybe you need to try this mask a little bit longer than that, because that wasn't like, I would like do more days. And I thought I popped like, I'm not popped. I saw like a pimple is started to grow here. I don't know, because I wear makeup in the morning and then I wash it off, and then I put the mask. so I don't know if that's like a key to that. But it's like the things to the things not working. But my face is already soft but it made my face a little bit like softer softer, so my face is really soft, but my face was soft anyways. So overall the mask didn't work for me, so maybe when I try something it will work. But the turmeric itself, I will use it definitely on other things like armpits, some things useful, but for my face I think I will just pass. like obviously share, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you will get notified anytime, every time I upload a new video. So that is it guys, I'm going to sleep because this beach is really sleepy. I eat a lot, and I will see you in my next one. And don't forget, I upload 3 videos a week, so 3 videos are going to be uploaded on on Wednesday, Friday, and then Sunday. So each week you will get 3 videos, and those 3 videos will be a lot. And at the end of the summer we're on the road to 1K, and I know for sure that I will get 1K and plus. So thanks so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.